taking it back to the movies, and we are going to be learning some dance scenes from the movie Grease. So if you guys happen to like today's video, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so to start this off, we're going to learn a little bit from the dance scene Grease Lightning. So to start it off, we're going to do 3 jumps. So do it with me. Jump, 2, 3. Good. Now with your hands, you can really do whatever with your hands that you want. You can flick them out 1, 2, 3 as you jump. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my hands down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So go like this. 1, 2, 3. Good. Palms are facing me and I go 1, 2, 3. So do whatever you want, but I'm going to do that 3 times as we jump. So let's try it together. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3. Good. Next part, you're going to run, and they're like little runs. You're going to go run, 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 run. So you're kind of bringing your body down to get yourself into position for the next part. So starting from the top, we go 1, 2, 3, and run, 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 run. So again, have my body down, my hands are in fists, and I'm moving my arms like this. You can move them like this, whatever you feel, but you're just going to do like a little bit of a run to get yourself to the next spot. So we're running forward. So 5, 6, from the top. 1, 2, 3, and run, 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 run. Okay, good. So now we are at the part where we do the Go Grease Lightning. So your feet are going to be apart. You're going to bend your legs. Now one hand is going to be on your hip, and the other hand's going to go out. Fingers are apart, and we're looking at our hand, or you can just be looking center, whatever you feel, but I'm going to be following my hand along as I do it. So we do it for 8 counts. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we take it along for 8. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, your hand is going to come into a fist, and then you're going to bring it up. And as you bring it up, fingers are going to go apart. Up. Then we bring it back down into a fist. Good. Now you're going to bring it out to the side. Your fingers are going to come apart. You're going to go out. Then bring it in. Then bring it up. Fingers come out. Bring it in one more time into a fist, and then out. So we do it 4 times. So after we take that hand along, we go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. So it's, wait, we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking it from the part where we do the Go Grease Lightning. Other hand on your hip. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, another thing you can do, as you're bringing your hand across, your legs are bent, you can lift up your heel and you can kind of just go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, if you want to add that in as well. I noticed in the movie some of them like to add that as well, so go for it if you want to do that. I might add it in too. Okay, taking it from here. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this hand is going to go on our hip. The other hand's going to come out. We're going to do the same thing for 8 counts. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay, taking it from the very top where we do our 3 jumps. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and run, 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 run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so for the next part, you're going to hold for 1, and then you're going to do 2 jumps, and you're going to do jumps on 2, 3. Those are the counts. Those are the counts you're jumping on. 2, 3. So you're going to do the same jumps that you do at the beginning, but only 2 jumps this time. So I'm going to do the same thing with my hands. So what you do at the beginning with those hands, keep it the same for this part, but instead only 2 jumps. We hold for 1, 2, 3. So again, we hold for 1, 2, 3. Taking it from the second hand where we move it along for 8 counts. Let's go from there. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So it's pretty fast. You only hold for 1, then you jump 2, 3. So after we do our jumps on 2, 3, you're going to hold for 4, 5. Now from here, your elbows are going to go back. Your hands are in fists. Bring it back, back. So back, back. I'll face the back so you can see. Back, back. We bring those elbows back, back. Twice. So as you do that, as you bring it back, you're going to bring your hips forward. So it goes like a little bit of a hip thrust. Forward, forward. So elbows go back, hips come forward. Ready, and forward, forward. And when I mean forward, I mean the hips. So taking it from the 2 jumps, we hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. Ready, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's take it from where we do our second hand going across from that part. So bending our legs. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are the counts. So it's 6, 7. Hold for 8. And then we're going to do the same thing that we do in the very beginning, which is the 3 jumps and the run, 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 run. We're going to end it off with that. So same 3 jumps. Jump, 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 and run, 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 run. And you can run on the spot, you can run back, forward, however you prefer. So that is the whole little dance scene we're going to learn for Grease Lightning. So let's take it from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and run, 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 run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and run, 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 run. One more time, and then we'll move on to the next dance. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, and run, 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 run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and run, 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 run. Okay, so for this next dance, we have switched outfits. We are going to be learning the hand jive. So the first thing you do is both hands are going to hit your thighs twice. 1, 2. Good. Next part, you're going to clap. As you can see, I clapped twice. Clap, clap. So starting from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Next part, you're going to cross your hands over one another, and you're going to do it twice. You're going to go 1, 2, so you repeat it, and then you're going to switch hands, repeat it. So we repeat, repeat. So twice, twice. We cross them over, cross them over. Do it one more time, do it one more time. Now it doesn't matter which hand you cross over, it can be right or left, doesn't matter, but again, twice, twice. So going from the top, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next part, you're going to do the mashed potato. Hands are in fists, and you're going to hit your fists. 1, 2, and then switch. 3, 4. So you do it twice. Twice, twice. Do the mashed potato, do the mashed potato. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking it from the top, starting with the thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the last part. After we do that mashed potato, you're going to throw it away. So one hand, your thumb is out, you're going to throw away, and then other hand, throw away. So you do it twice, twice. So your finger, your thumb, goes back twice on one hand, then twice on the other hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it go, let it go. Good. That's the whole thing. Let's try it from the top. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's do it a little bit faster. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the dance as well, they add a little bit of a bounce to it. So if you want to add a bounce to it as you're doing it, go for it. Let's try it with the bounce. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I lied. A little bit faster. One more time. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more outfit change. This is the last dance scene we're going to do. It is the end of To Hand Jive with Danny and Sandy. They have a really cute couple dance before Sandy gets taken away, so we're going to learn a little bit of it today. Okay, so to start this dance off, we're going to work on the footwork, and then we're going to add in the hands and arms and all that stuff. So to start it off, we're going to do a step together step. So try it with me. Doesn't matter which way you take it, right or left, you choose. So we go. Step together step. Now we're going to take it to the other side. And step together step. Good. Now we're going to do it again, taking it to the other side, but this time it's going to be a longer step together step. We're going to do about 3.5 step together steps. So try it with me. And step together, step together, step together, step. So let's count them. We go 1, 2, 3, and step. Good. So then we're going to repeat it. We're going to do it again. So we do step together, step, and then other side, step together, step, long step together, step. Here we go. And step together, step together, step together, step. Good. Let's take it from the top, and then I'll show you guys what we do with the hands and arms. 5, 6, ready, and step together, step, step together, step, and step together, step together, step together, step. Again, step together, step, step together, step, and step together, step together, step together, step. So for your hands and arms, as you do the step together steps, you're going to have your index finger, both hands, and you're just going to move your hands like this. So whatever way you're doing your step together step, you just kind of have your fingers in that direction and move those hands. So try it with me. Ready, and step together step, and step together step. But for the long step together step, you're going to have one hand up, hands in a fist. You're going to circle your hand around your head, and the other hand can be on your waist, or you can have it down, whatever you prefer. I'm going to bring my hand to my waist. So let's try it. Ready, and step together, step together, step together, step. And then we continue. And step together, step, step together, step, and then I switch my hands up depending on which way I'm going. Step together, step together, step together, step. And then we do it again. This is the third round of the step together steps. Ready, and step together, step, step together, step, and step together, step together, step together, step. Now this is the fourth and final round of the step together steps. So try it with me. Step together, step, step together, step, but stop. This part is where it switches up. So after we do the step together step, step together step, instead of the long step together step, you're going to just step on the spot, step, step. You kind of look to the side as well. So look, look. So we step on the spot and we look at the same time. Look, look. And for your hands, you can have them down or you can move them as you're looking, looking, whatever you prefer. I might do the hands, hands, but your choice. So we step, step, then from here, you're gonna bring it all the way down if you can. If not, just bring your hands to your knees, and then you're gonna come up and do any pose you like. For me, my pose, I'm gonna bring my hands on my head and just gonna come up like this. So we step, step, bring it all the way down or your knees, and then come up. So that's for the fourth and final round. So for the fourth round of doing the step together steps, you switch it up. So instead of doing the long step together, step together, step together, step, you just step, step, down, pose. So try it with me. And step, step, down, pose. One more time. Step, step, down, pose. And that's it. So let's take it from the top. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. End it off. And 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's new video. Now, if you want to see these dance scenes with the music, make sure to check out that link below. And if you guys liked today's video, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching and dancing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!